which is an acceptable Lewis structure for diazomethane? So first, before we get into this problem, I want to say something about the ACS. One thing they do good on is, okay, they might mention a compound like diazomethane in the question. But so typically, when they give you the name of a molecule like that, if it's not specifically like draw the structure, which would be the structure for the common name diazomethane, they will not try to trick you by drawing different compounds, you know, having one of these guys that is diazomethane, one's not, you know. So like we see right off the bat, all of these are diazomethane, so you don't have to worry about the name, which is nice. So for notice, key for this problem is just says what is an acceptable Lewis structure, not what is the most acceptable Lewis structure. So really, we just want to see which one of these four passes the test as far as it will get by with our rules for Lewis structure. So we want to first make sure we follow the octet rule if we're doing Lewis structure, right? So every atom that is not H should be bonded to four different things, right? Or should have four different bonds, or how do you describe this, right? You should, if four lines are one, pairs of dots are one, right? Add up to four. Okay, so right, for this C, 1, 2, 3, 4, that follows the octet rule. This N right here, right, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's definitely not following the octet rule. So A is not acceptable, right? Okay, so let's see, we can go to C. So this C is good, 1, 2, 3, 4. This N's good, 1, 2, 3, 4. This N, 1, 2, 3, not 4. So C, not going to fly. Okay, so B, right? Okay, well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so B, well, as far as the octet rule, it passes. So it should, I'm thinking B is going to be the answer. Let's see, D here, 1, 2, 3, 4. For that C, for N here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. For this N over here, we got 1, 2, 3 lone pairs and 2 lines, right? So that's 5. That is not 4. Okay, so B is the only acceptable Lewis structure for diazomethane.